Hello, good day to you all. I say good day to you all. This is second video based on Pi Network, which in this video we'll be discussing on security cycle, which I believe that majority of you will have looked or watched our previous video that we talked about referral referral team, which I believe that by now those people that have watched it will have on what they mean understand the great impact in having referral. So without wasting much time, I would love us to dive into security cycle. Yeah, which is one of the great way of you having or increasing your mining rates. Also, before we should continue, I will love you guys. If this is your first time, please subscribe, like, and comment to our channel. And your comment is a very great importance to us. If there is any issue, please, we'll be expecting you to state it in the comments so that we can dive in together and solve out the problem that you come with. So let's continue. Uh, yeah, this is your guy Ulight. So let's dive in. In this aspect of security cycle, it has so many ways for you to check your security cycle. First of all, I believe it's not each and everyone will understand that this 100%, some will see 20% on their own, and some will see 0%. And this 100% signifies that yes, the security cycle members, the security cycle member that you have is up to the rates or number of the limits they need for you to get your word pure 100% bonus in security cycle. So for more understanding, I believe you are all with me. So those people that don't also understand what I'm saying, this arrow signifies you should go into this, click this please. Sorry, there's some little glitch here. So you see this arrow, it shows that yes, you should press that place. So once you click it, it will direct you to your security cycle boosts. In this security cycle boosts, these are the number of security cycle members that I have in my downline. You can see I have a lot, I have a lot, I have a lot, I have a lot. So one thing each and every one of you should also consider in you adding security cycle has its benefits and also its effects. But before we should dive into that, let's check how we add security cycle. There's two ways for us to get out security cycle into this place. Number one, either you should click on this add more, click on this add more. In clicking on this add more, click it. Once you click it, it will direct you to where you already have some existing members or some existing Pi miners in your contacts. If you already have those any member that are already mining Pi in your contact, it will reflect here. So in my contact, these are the number of those people that I referred, in which they are mining presently. And one thing you should also know is if you have each and every member that has not yet been verified, it will signify. Let's look at this number 4. I believe that as you guys are all watching, let's take a look at this number 4. What is this? You can see that it reflects that unverified phone number, which means it has signified that this person has not verified his PI or his KYC. So that is why that is one of the advantages of you adding from those people that are already mining Pi in your contacts. If you decided to go to if you decided to go directly to your contacts, you won't have the privilege of knowing those that have already verified their KYC in Pi and those that have not yet verified. So you can see that, yes, you can see your contacts. All these names are from my contacts. All these numbers, all these people are mining. So you can see that MD and Akuna or whatever 00 not yet verified. Muhammad 19952 yet not yet verified. So this is one of the advantages that you'll be able to get in you coming directly. As let me click it for those that yet to understand. Once you come to this logo, which is mine is 100%. I believe, I don't know what yours will be. Once you click on it, it will direct you to what security cycle boost. So you now add more by the in the top upright of your hand. Once you click it, you can see that these are my referred members, those people that I referred. So, and these are those people that are mining Pi currently, those people that have registered into Pi network. You can see I have them a lot. Yeah, I have them a lot. So in this aspect, you can choose. You can be able to choose each and everyone that has already been verified. You from here, if I just say, you can just click on add. Once I click add, which is Ukasha Abdulmumin, once I click add, it will change from what this brown or what is the color called into white, which is, it will signify that what's added. So that is it. And if you want to invite anyone to come and mine Pi or to come and register into Pi network, you can decide to click on this share invite link. In this share invite link, it will, let me click it. The share invite link is not clicking here. Oh yes, now it has clicked. So it will use your referral link. If you wanted to share it into either users in Telegram, WhatsApp, private share, Chrome, or wherever, or Instagram, you'll be able to share it as easy as that. So let's dive more. We have a lot to share here. So now that our first step is how to add, how to get to where you'll be able to add security cycle members. So, and I've shown you the steps. Secondly is how to add any member that is already mining Pi. Now we are able to do that, and thirdly, you'll be able to share your referral link. So which is downvote. You can be able to do it in downvoting. Not only there, you can be able to also add it here also. So in addition, you can see that once you come once you if you see, as you can see, we have add from contacts. And the second one is what? Add an existing Pi user. So one of the advantages in this aspect is you can either add from that this last button, or you can add from the previous button that I just clicked. But if you want to add from contact, you won't be able to know each and every one that has what already be using Pi. So you can see that I have not given the permission of, but for the sake of this video, let me just make a brief permission, and then let's go back. We have a lot to do. So you can see I have a lot of contact, but it won't be able to signify the one those that are already mining or not mining. So, and in your security cycle, you have to add those people that are already in mining network, so that it can boost your mining rate. So that is it. So in next one is contribution to Pi network security. So for the sake of these members of mine in security cycle, you can see that it has added up plus 0.003 pi per hour. So only these security cycle members, imagine, I'll be able to mine in 0.003 pi per hour. Imagine, for 24 hours. Imagine how many pi I'll be getting from my security cycle members. And if they are currently if they are being active currently, I'll be able to watch. I'll be able to mine even more than this. So next aspect is when you realize that any member that you add to the security cycle members are yet to do their Pi, are yet to do their KYC verification, the best thing is you can be able to either notify the person once you knew him, or you should automatically remove him out of the security cycle, my brothers and sisters. Because if you don't, oh, it might be contributing to your mining boosting. You might be contributing to boosting of your mining rate, but once those pi that is being mined want to be migrated to your Pi network, which is your mainnet, those people that are yet to do their KYC, which you added to your security cycle, the percentage you generate from them will not be moved. That is one aspect of it. If you could realize, previously I said that it has its own advantages, it has its own disadvantages, and that is the great disadvantages. Imagine you having more than 50 pi generated from security cycle, and realize that all of them has not done, or majority of them that contributes to that extent has not done their security cycle. Wow, it will be very heartbroken. So let's continue. If you want to remove any member, just click on the member, like a member, just a single click. It will show you an option to view the profile or to remove the person. If you want to remove, you click on remove. And if you want to view the profile, then you will be able to view the profile. And you only be able to view the profile once the person is registered into. That is another aspect which we will discuss in our next videos. So if you want to remove, you just click on remove. It will ask you if you are really sure to want to remove. Say that remove from security cycle. Do you want to remove Salue from your security cycle? Delete. It will delete. Cancel. Then cancel, and then let's go back to our previous step. That is number one. So secondly, let's check let us check what we are benefiting from our security cycle, how the calculation is being done. So let's go to tap on our mining, the mining. Once you tap on it, for the sake of those, let me signify it by arrow. This is the mining. Once you tap on it, right, once you tap on it, it will take you to how your mining rate is being calculated. My brother, imagine, see wonder of Pi network, mining Pi na wahala and mining Pi na enjoyment. So let's look at it. Booster, which is what? 782.62%. This booster include what? Security cycle and lockup reward. This is the percentage that I will be getting for the minimum range that I locked up my Pi. And security cycle, this is what I'll be benefiting, which is 20% multiplied by 5. And there's none, it mustn't be necessary of you having a lot of what security cycle members. But why we advise you to add a lot of security cycle members is if among them is not mining, it will not add up. It will not add up to your mining. It will not add up to your what, mining bonus. But if the system choose at random those people that are active and then give you your reward, that is one of the great advantages being given from the what Pi network. Imagine. So let's look at this reward. Reward which is from what? Our referral, our utility usage, and our node bonus. So a node bonus is, it has to deal with you connecting your system with your phone directly, which means downloading Pi into your system and a Pi node into your system, and then make a link your Pi in phone with that of the system, and you get your bonus. Since I did not link mine with system, you can see that I have no bonus in this node bonus, which is the last category of what splitting how the bonus is being generated. Utility usage, very simple. We'll get to that before then, which will be our last aspect in this video. So you can see we have security cycle. For this mining season, you have what? Declared at least 5 security connections. You see, 5 members that are very active in my security cycle members. So this is the reward I generated from them, which I'm appreciating them, and you too likewise that is watching this video, because once you check it, you understand that yes, it's very very vital of we having security cycle members and also referrals. And you should also know that the security cycle members and referrals are working hand in hand, because once you have a referral, automatically it will stay in your security cycle member, and if your referral is very active, then it's another plus to your mining. So let's click here. This Pi utility, which I really want us to just brush it up. In this Pi utility, just try to be clicking it daily or oftenly, like 3 times to 4 times in a day, before the mining of your Pi gets it to its limit of the day. So click on chat, have a little chat. If you really want to boost your mining rate, Always do it and do this frequently, daily. Once you click, just try to make a point. Click on your wallet, click on your blockchain if possible. Go to KYC, even though you have done your KYC, or you go to your profile, view your profile, and then come back. Let's continue again. So that is it. And I believe that yes, you people learn a lot from this our little uh, our little video, which is very helpful. And so this is what I'm saying. If your referral and security team members do not finish the mainnet checklist by the grace period deadline, you will lost some bonus pile, you see, attributed to their award contributions if they only migrate the balance within their 6-month rules windows. You will only receive bonuses contributed by them within that period. Ask your team to migrate so you so you also don't what lost your bonus attributable to what them you can see. So, and before I should forget, let us go back to this our security cycle members. Sorry. You can decide. So where did I want us to know how to pin our members that are not active. So inactive. If you want to pin each and every of your security cycle members that are not active, if you want to notify them, is you can also do it as same as referral. You can also notify them by, let's go to this our unverified balance, which is our last episode, which is the last aspect I should talk about. This unverified balance. This unverified balance include my security, those in my security cycle member and my referral downline that are yet to do their KYC, which is stated in our previous shots there, and why they haven't been migrated. Thank God you can also see it here directly, which you can also brush and read it. So these are my members that are yet to register their PI. And also you can also remove directly from here. Sorry. You can also pin members. Now let's try and pin with this pin. Means what? Notification. You are just notifying them once they are online that yes, you are yet to so as notify you to do your KYC. So that is, which is very very important. By you telling your downline to do their KYC. Congratulations, your team has been notified to complete KYC. You will be able to notify the teams again after 24 hours, which is once in a day. Once in each 24 hours, that is when you'll be able to be pinging them, which is notifying them. So I have not done it today. So for the sake of the video, I saved it, and you can see that if I make an amendment, it will show you that team has already been notified, confirmed. You see. So thank you very much. We really appreciate. Please, for more video, this is just the beginning. This is the second video. For more understanding of referral, you can go back to my previous video. If there is anything that you want me to share more light on, please set it in the comment below. subscribe if this is your first time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. I believe that you will love it. Subscribe to our channel, like our video, and comment, please. Your comment is very, very important. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Till we meet in next video. The U light is saying have a nice day.